Nakajing pur state menta, juga jingpang COVID-19, hakajela, kamtam a East Khasi Hills, nakaliang umentri rang ba barim kajela, u Dr. Mukul sang mapat, ulakan tui kipaj ba, baka nega dega por baki day bankiar, nakabadi dawai kelumar, klem kajing peta naki doktor. Hapapan pau hadin kajengelang jong baro ki MLA kan thup, nakaliang persya baliang sensyar, u Dr. Mukul, badiru unoelam kaliang persya ulong, bagi paj ba, kideru ban bami kijing bam kibatay, kiban penklai nya ka bormet. Katkum ka jiong jung u, haba ka bormet katulot kikinyang jingpang kisuk banyurung hakamet jung kibril.
Concern from my side to all our citizens. We need to look at how important it is for every individual to boost up immune system. Today, if you look at the number of people who are falling victim of this virus, and the fatality rate is more concentrated amongst the younger population. I had my own analysis after discussing with many of my friends, the medical fraternity who belong to our medical fraternity, and many more friends who belong to scientific community. Now, there are reasons to believe that the way of life of these millennial children is a matter of concern, because the physical activity is minimum. The exposure to sun, which provides a space for any individual to have enough build-up of vitamin D, is a matter of concern. And the food habits, the junk foods. Now we need to take care of all this, course correction to build up immune system. Doctors must also talk on this. The nutritionists, the dietitians must speak on this. There are lots of inputs available today. Lots of research work have been done by many of the scientists. And there are advisory given how to build up immune system. One very important, crucial vitamin which is available for us, even if it is not available in food, is vitamin D. Because it is so important, God has been kind that even if you don't get it from food, you get it from the sun, the sunlight. Is very crucial. Anybody who has low vitamin D level will take time for recovery from any disease. Therefore, boosting up immune system and to ensure that you keep on changing your food habits become very crucial. This is some message I'm giving today to all of you, to myself also. You know, sometimes we fail to practice what we preach. So I think we need to look at this. Build up immune system. Don't go to the pharmacies and then buy medicines personally, because this is something which happens in India. I had a experience in Brazil when I went to buy a medicine which was prescribed in a medical path of Medanta Hospital. They didn't give me, saying that no, we won't give you medicine unless it is prescribed by a doctor from Brazil. I had to convince them. It's a proper prescription. But in India, you go anywhere, you ask. The pharmacist act like a doctor and he will give you any medicine. I am cautioning everybody, misuse of these medicines, because everybody knows, okay, what are the medicines which are being prescribed by the doctors for any positive cases, COVID positive cases. They are buying steroids left and right and overusing, misusing, resulting in suppression of immunity. So all these things are important. Please consult your doctors. Please don't self-prescribe. Please don't go to the pharmacies and buy medicine and have self-medication. These are very dangerous trend. And by doing that, we will only allow the virus to readapt and mutate, and we will have a bigger problem in the next span. So today we are in the second wave. We must be prepared for the third wave, fourth wave, and this is the reason why we must all come together. Thank you.